Hi, this is Jackie with WTI, and if you are like me and you're newer to camping, or you know how hard it is to sleep because you camp a lot in a tent, you will love this camping sleeping mat by ZOOBELIVES. This is the 4-inch thick, sturdy, inflatable sleep mat by ZOOBELIVES. I highly recommend this. It was so easy to use. It has instruction right on the actual mat. Use your foot to inflate it. You pop this open. When you unfold it, you use your foot to press on this, and it has a pump built in. Put the top on when you reach the firmness that you want, and you're good to go. It lasted with the air in it for days. It started to lose its air a little bit. I repumped it. Perfect, good to go. It also folds up into nothing and comes in this little carrying case that also has instruction on it. I love that the instructions, one of my favorite features is that the instructions are printed right on the mat and right on the carrying case, so you can't lose those instructions. Love that. To deflate it, you just pop this top. There's also instructions here. When it's deflated, roll it up. You're good to go. Absolutely loved this mat. It was lightweight, easy to use, easy to carry for your camping trip. 10 out of 10 recommend this sleeping mat, but that's just my point of view.